Hi everybody, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty. We just are floating around an area that we've talked about before in videos. So in the 10 best things to do in Corona, California, or near Corona, California, you can check that out too, of all the cool things we have in our area. But we've mentioned Dos Lagos before many times. It's an outdoor shopping mall with boutique shops and some really cool restaurants and a lake. Well, they do tons of things for the holidays. For like we talked about them doing Halloween activities, really cool activities. They have really cool activities to do for Christmas too, and for the winter time. So you can see the beautiful backdrop, the beautiful ornament. Let's go check it out. Hi! As you can see, they have beautiful decorations, a gorgeous Christmas tree, a Christmas train. It was even playing Christmas music. How fun is that? They also have a cool trolley year-round that comes and takes you to the different stores, so you don't have to walk from one end to the other. So we're heading off to the activities, which includes an ice skating rink. Let's go check it out. Well, as you can see, we're at the ice rink, which is really cool. So they offered that last year and this year. That's really fun. So come on down with your families, and if you're thinking about moving here, they'll probably do it again next year, but fun for that. Also, there's newer ownership, and man, have they taken pride in ownership and doing the right thing. So they've spruced everything up, even though it was nice before. They've made it nicer, cleaner. They've really paid attention to detail, added more shops, more restaurants, more trends, more comedians, more shows, just more activities for the family, marketplaces, farmers markets, really cool people, and really care about the community and care about the shopping center. It's super unique, and they're gonna be doing some amazing things, so we'll keep you posted. But here's the ice skating rink. They've added the climber. I didn't even know what that was. I'm like, what is that? I'm like, I want to go climb. Let's go climb. And then they have little fire pits, which are amazing to add into, which they didn't have before. So really great things. Also, some really cool trendy things that are happening in Orange County are coming to Corona and the Inland Empire. Mr. Tempo's Urban Kitchen is a really cool thing that everybody's very excited about. So that's coming soon. Let's go check some other things out. Come on. Well, hi, here we are. As you can see, they have climbers for the kids, a playground for the kids, and they're making tons and tons of snow. Go California, we have some snow. And if everybody's watching, here, look. Oh, my cameraman and partner, Taylor, that was for you. And once again, continuing on the tour, we are going to Frosty's Forest. Welcome to Frosty's Forest. They said these trees are coming from Oregon forests, which is really cool. They're beautiful. Like a lot of times you see iffy trees. I'm looking through, a lot of them are just gorgeous. So if you're looking at any last minute tree purchases, come on down, get one from Frosty's. They're from Oregon forests. We need to help local businesses, so come on down and they did have a carnival that we promoted in another video, but they are taking that down right now because obviously Christmas is right around the corner. So please come on down if you need a last minute tree, or you know of anyone who needs a last minute tree. They've got a lot to choose from. Hi, here we are again, giving you all the inside scoop at Dos Lagos. So we're at Stone Church Brewing Company, and it's a brewery and a really cool spot to hang out with friends and family and help out local businesses. They made some of the parking lot into like an outside patio with a smoker and a little pond. Really took some care and attention to detail. And as you can see, decorated for Christmas, put some lights, but it's a definite thing to check out. So go check it out. And keeping it fun and exciting, we're moving on to Taps Brewery and Fish House. It is an amazing restaurant in Dos Lagos. There's many amazing restaurants and shops, but definitely high quality food, open for some of the holidays, do really special things. The decor inside is amazing. Their outside patios are just amazing, and look on, you can see the view of the lake, which is also pretty spectacular. So if you're in the area, come check it out. Still continuing our tour at Dos Lagos. They have a really great courtyard as well. We showed you some of the little fire pits and seating areas throughout the center, but here's a kind of a main hub in between a couple of really great restaurants and the lake that we'll be touring in just a minute. But they have beautiful plants, some like artwork, seating, fireplaces, shade structures, and then they have these big giant beach chairs. Here, oh, okay, not gonna happen anytime soon. But anyway, it's awesome, something fun for the family, something relaxing to do if you have a book or you just have some work to finish up. So just wanted to show you that as well. And the next stop on our tour at Dos Lagos in Corona, California is the beautiful lakes. Dos Lagos, 2 lakes. The bamboo walkthrough is amazing. There is so many new and interesting things to see every time we come down here, and we've come down a lot, let me tell you. But there's many kind of different fowl. There's birds, ducks, geese, things I've never even seen before. They have fish, koi, and they have turtles. Just an amazing free thing to do with your friends and family, or your date, or your son, whatever you want to do. Just pretty incredible. So let's go check it out. And here's the beautiful lake and waterfall. Woohoo! What fun. And we're gonna continue on after that fun adventure at the lake to some of the really cool restaurants. We talked about Taps, we talked about some up and coming ones, which should be here 2023 for sure. Wood Ranch is across the lake. You also get a view that's delicious as well. And then here, one of our favorite places is Miguel's Mexican Cantina. You have a great outdoor patio looking at the lake. The service is exceptional, and the food is like delicious, yum, yum, and yum. So what a really cool day to experience, whether it's a holiday and they have the holiday activities or just everyday activities with the tram and the lake and the restaurants and the shops. There's also a Trader Joe's, which is great if you have to pick something up for the way for dinner or for the way home. Can I talk? But yeah, so if you just a lot of conveniences. They have Cold Stone and Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and a lot of different really unique boutique stores as well. So it's really great to support local businesses. You can live close by and live and walk to all the different places. They've really made it a really cute community. We come here quite often to do many different things with friends and family, and even your furry babies can come down and enjoy. We've pet many on our video making excursion. So I really hope you guys can come down and check it out if you're moving to the area. It's a definite must-see, and we hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from Denise and Taylor at Vivid Lifestyle Realty. We care about you. If we can do anything for you, please let us know, reach out, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And we just want to serve people and help the community and help local businesses, because that's what it's all about, right? So also, if you are moving to the area and you need to know anything else out, we have please check out our YouTube channel, and that has some really great videos if you're moving to the general area as well. So have a wonderful day. Squeeze and love your family and friends. Big hugs to everybody, and we'll see you next time.